The National Sample Survey (NSS) will conduct its 79th round from July 1st next to 30th June 2023. The NSS's 79th round is earmarked for collection of data for sustainable development goals. For this purpose, a 3-day regional training is being organized at the Meghalaya Secretariat Auditorium, Shillong, from today, followed by field training on June 17th for imparting training on concepts, definitions, and procedures for collecting information on various subjects. The data collected through this survey will be used by the central government and state governments for development, planning, and policy decisions. Speaking at the inaugural program as chief guest, Nilanjan Chatterjee, DDG DQAD, Kolkata, said that the department is fully dependent on the field officers who collect the data. He asked the trainees to be honest and truthful while collecting the data.
This software not only captures the data, it also validates the data. So these validation points are also embedded in the software. We are actually dependent on you. When the data is being captured and the quality of data, once it doesn't get reach up to a certain level, we cannot disseminate the data. No? We cannot make it in the public domain. Because once the data goes in the public domain, so whenever you collect the data, try to imbibe the concept definition first, because initial definition will be different.